Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can set an expiration date for albums and photos inside your storage on ente.com. So let us begin. So guys, navigate to your account on ente.com, select the album here at the top and click into this button in the top right. Next, navigate to manage link. And here guys, you can set an expiration date for the link. So if you, for example, have an invitation link, public link to that album, you can copy it here to a clipboard. You can remove it here and also set an expiration date here, which will be set to never on default. So if you'd like to set an expiration date, select one of these after an hour, day, week, month, or year. As you can see, there's no custom expiration date available, so it's only these 5 options. So if you'd like to the invitation link to expire after a day, select it here. And as you can see, you will see the current date, which is exactly tomorrow, 2:28 p.m. June 4th. And that's when the link will expire. You can also remove it manually here or deactivate it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.